basics of operational amplifier. The learning objectives are Introduction to Operational Amplifier, Applications, IC 741 and Basic Block Diagram of IC 741. What is operational amplifier? As a name suggests, it is basically amplifier. The job of any amplifier is to amplify the input signal. In earlier days, when digital computers were not involved, at that time addition, subtraction, multiplication, division performed using operational amplifier by connecting few resistors and capacitors. It is possible to perform mathematical operation, hence a name given as operational amplifier. Operational amplifier is very high voltage gain amplifier, usually consists of one or more differential amplifiers. It is a versatile device that can be used to amplify DC as well as AC input signals. An op-amp is available as single IC package. Integrated op-amp offers all the advantages of monolithic integrated circuits such as small size, high reliability, reduced cost, and less power consumption. There are wide applications of operational amplifier such as comparators, signal generators, oscillators, active filters, and regulators. The symbol of operational amplifier is like arrow-like structure. It has two input and one output. The input marked with a negative sign is known as inverting input. The input marked with positive sign is known as non-inverting input. It works on dual power supplies, but most of the operational amplifier they work on single supply also. This operational amplifier is available as the integrated circuit package, and the most popular integrated circuit or IC is IC 741, which is widely used in the laboratory and in many applications. There are many manufacturers, but Fairchild is the first manufacturer and it uses the code MUA, and it sold this IC in the market as MUA741. Similarly, there are other manufacturers like National Semiconductor uses code LM, Motorola uses code MC, Texas Instruments uses code SN, Signetic uses code N, but last three digits are 741. This IC 741 is available in dual inline package, which is the most popular, and there are the 8 pins. The pin functions are: the pin number 1 is the offset null, pin number 2 is the inverting input, pin number 3 is non-inverting input, pin number 4 is the negative supply, pin number 5 is the offset null, pin number 6 is the output, pin number 7 is the positive supply, pin number 8 is not connected. Generally on the IC there is a small dot is indicated. It indicate the pin number 1 that one can identify, and this is the picture of DIP package. The basic block diagram of operational amplifier, it consists of 4 blocks. The first block is known as input stage. This input stage is nothing but the differential amplifier. It provides most of the voltage gain of the amplifier, and it decides the input resistance of operational amplifier. The second block is intermediate stage. It is usually the another differential amplifier which is driven by the output of the first stage. In most of the operational amplifier, it has 2 input and 1 output. The third block is known as level shifting circuit. Due to the direct coupling, DC voltage at output of the intermediate stage is above the ground level potential, so that the level shifting circuit is used to shift the DC level down to the zero potential with respect to the ground. The final stage is known as output stage. This is the class B push-pull amplifier, and it increases the current capability of op-amp, and it provides low output resistance. And remaining part we'll see on our next video lectures. Thank you.